Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can paraphrase using ChatGPT. So for those people who do not know what paraphrase is, basically let's say there's like a really long document or a really long article and you just don't want to read it, you want to have a short version of it. Through paraphrasing, ChatGPT will make a summary out of like the entire document or like the entire article. So let me show you how we guys can do that. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to copy all the text of the document. Let's say I don't want to read this entire document on Mr. Beast. What I can do is just copy everything from over here. Once I copy all this text over here, what I can do is just first copy it and then go on ChatGPT, and where it says send a message, click on it. Now before you paste the text, what you want to write is, you want to write this: paraphrase this following text, and give a full stop and then give a space and then paste the text which you just copied from any website or any place, and then click on this little green button over here and give ChatGPT some time and it'll paraphrase this entire document for you in a short way, just like this. As you guys can see, it's doing it for me. So yeah, that's how we guys can paraphrase any article, any document you want, or get a short from out of a very long thing by doing paraphrasing on ChatGPT. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.